trips and vacations. Afternoon picnic. Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon? Sure, Jia. Where should we have it? How about the lake? That's a great idea. What should we pack for lunch? I can make sandwiches and potato salad. Yummy! I love sandwiches and potato salad. Tell your sister about the picnic. Okay, I think it is going to get hot later today. That's good. It will be a good day for a swim in the lake. I'll tell Mia and Sia to wear their swimsuits. Don't forget to pack your life jackets too. Okay, will Rohan be joining us? Of course, your brother will be joining us. Where is he? He is taking a nap. Let's wake him up. You can wake him up. I'll get my sisters. Rohan, wake up. We are going to the lake. Going to the zoo. Hey Selena, my family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions? The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors. Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend. How about a picnic at the park? We do that often. I want to do something more fun. How about the city zoo? I heard that bear cubs were recently born there. That's good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time. Then you should definitely go this weekend. The time we were there, it started raining. None of the animals wanted to come out. That must have been boring. It was boring. The kids wanted to go home early. The animals should be more visible since the weather is going to be sunny this weekend. Yeah, I think we all go to the zoo. Hopefully, this time it will be more fun. Actually, I have 4 tickets to the zoo. You can have them. Our family won't be able to go. The tickets expire this weekend. Thanks, let me pay you for them. Zoo tickets are too expensive. Don't worry about it. It's my gift to you since your last visit was not fun. Are you sure? This is very generous of you. Also, you mowed my lawn a few times after I had back surgery last year. I really appreciated that. Going to the amusement park. Hi Sia, have you been to the new amusement park yet? No, when did it open? Last weekend. Was it crowded? It was very crowded. Parking is terrible too. Did you have fun? Oh, yes, the roller coasters are really fun. My kids had a great time. It was ever fun for the adults too. I didn't know it was open yet. I will have to take my son soon. You should, they will love it. Are the tickets expensive? Yeah, they are pretty expensive, but your family will enjoy it. Maybe we will go this weekend. We don't have any plans on Saturday. My son has been asking about it. If you go on Saturday, try to go early. There aren't enough parking spots. They need to add more. Okay, that's good to know. Do you have any other tips? The line for the rides are very long, so be patient. Okay, I assume that. Now I have to convince my husband to go. He doesn't like amusement parks? No, I have motion sickness, so I can't ride any of the roller coasters. That means my husband has to ride all of them with our son.